What can we expect from the stock market in the next 5 years? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will share his thoughts with us now.
Here, if you look at it, stock market, if everything goes well, then of course, as I was saying, that the stock market return should be in line with the earnings growth. So earnings growth or the GDP growth plus the inflation, so 12-13% kind of a level, you can expect the returns from the market. There could be a little bit of surprises in between, but of course, over a period of about say 5-7 years, you should be able to make about say 12-13-14% kind of a return from the market.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.